Boys and girls, today we're going to finish the lesson that we had last week. And before I do that, I want to kind of show you that you can move around the screen a little bit differently. You can move up and down the slides like I'm showing you right here, and you can click on the slide to kind of get yourself through the screens, or you can go in presentation mode. Now, a Chromebook tends to be really kind of sensitive when you're touching things. So I found I got to go kind of slowly. I'm going to try presentation mode today, and hopefully that helps you see these screens a little better. You will have watched or can watch the video on the compass rose. It describes a compass rose and how it helps you understand direction, especially on maps. And then obviously you're watching this video. Down here, it gives me a toolbar, and I can go to the next slide. I'm going to try to go slowly. This is that magnifying glass tool that always helps you on the homework page. And this is the reading page. So the photograph right here shows you a satellite view of Michigan with the Great Lakes around it, and that's what we talked about the other day. And I'm going to read to you the very top of the next page. Next, Michigan is divided into two big parts. It is the only state that is this way. We have the Upper Peninsula, which is the northern part. We have the Lower Peninsula, which is the southern part. Have you heard the word peninsula before? A peninsula is land with water on three sides. The Great Lakes are around our two peninsulas. Check it out on the map. So you can see that the Great Lakes are all around both the upper and lower peninsula, and at least three sides of both land masses of the upper and lower peninsula are bordering water. I'm at the very bottom of the page now where the hand is, and I apologize, the one is kind of covered. The lower peninsula looks like a hand or a mitten. Some people also say that the upper peninsula has a hand shape too. Put the two shapes together. The upper peninsula is the left hand. The lower peninsula is the right hand. Now your hands look like Michigan. So to try this, I'm going to show you on the next slide how if you put your palms toward you, just as you see depicted on this slide, you are now demonstrating the upper and lower peninsula. So go ahead and try that. Pretty neat, huh? Now I'm going to the next page. All right, our name. What does the name of our state mean? The name Michigan comes from the Native American words. It means big lake or Great Lake. That fits our state. It has so much water around it. So in the box in the center of this page, it tells you a little review. So it says, remember, you have learned that Michigan is one of our 50 states. You should know what a state is. And I'll give you a hint. Land, people, government. You should know where to find Michigan on a map. You should know its shape comes from the Great Lakes. And you should also know that there are two parts called peninsulas. And the peninsulas can look like your hands. All right, now I'd like you to go to this very last slide. You're going to go back to the document itself and go to the last slide and complete the homework. All right, bye for now.